Good morning, Eastside. I hope that your Monday morning is off to a great start. I want to share with you a couple of things that I shared with the congregation yesterday about the emphasis, about the focus for Eastside until the end of 2010. There's three major arenas that we're going to be focusing in on. One is that we're going to be focusing in on worship. Two, launching and starting new small groups. And number three, the area of giving. Worship. In the near future, we're going to be collecting and gathering together about 25 people from Eastside Church family. And we're going to have an intentional dialogue on a Friday evening and a Saturday morning talking about how we can leverage our talented worship team and our gift of worship to impact this community for Jesus Christ. We're going to be looking at maybe starting a second worship service. The second area that I talked about yesterday was launching and starting new small groups. Our intention, our goal is to double our small group ministry here at Eastside. We'd like to launch 20 new small groups between now and the beginning of September. In September, we're going to be launching a brand new study by Rick Warren that is entitled Life's Healing Choices. And what we'd like to do is we'd like to start 20 new small groups. And the motto for these 20 new small groups is anytime, any place, anywhere that you can get a group of people together, we want you to start a small group. It may be in your home, it may be at Starbucks or another coffee place, or it could just be at a restaurant. But we want to have a biblical small group within walking distance of every home here in Madison County. And then the third thing that we talked about yesterday was giving. We launched yesterday emphasis on giving $100,000 over the next 6 months, which is above and beyond your tithes. And what we're trying to do is raise $100,000, and we're calling this the Faith Promise Giving Emphasis. And we're going to take this $100,000 and we're going to use it in three arenas. One, Feed My Starving Children. We've made a commitment to pack over 200,000 meals in October for Feed My Starving Children. Number two, we're wanting to do the sanctuary makeover. We're wanting to add some new screens and some cameras, and we want to make the worship experience a lot more experiential. And then third, we want to reduce our debt. We want to quit paying interest so we can release more money into missions. And I would just encourage you to be in prayer about these three arenas and to be on the lookout for more information in the days to come. Have a great week and live for Jesus. Thank you.